So this is XAUUSD analysis for Thursday, 23rd of August. And now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So from initially seeing this rather sharp sell-off in towards at the 1160, we've seen this move back up towards the 1180. Broke the 1180, had prices trade beyond the 1180 all the way up towards this the very next level of note, all the way up at that 1199. So we did trade beyond 1199 and that 1200. We weren't able to hold on to the 1200 mark here on the 1199, 1200 on the XAUUSD. Instead, what we have seen is brief pullback, consolidation, and we do appear to be breaking up pullback to the downside here. So we'll see whether this 200 period moving average does hold in around at 1190. If we do fail to hold there, we're looking for prices down towards that 1180 42. Successful break from which we then look for prices down towards 1170 63, and beyond that, we don't anticipate that happening. We'll be looking for move down towards 1164. If we do hold support in around this 1190 where we are, if we've got this 200 period average, or at that 1180, we're looking for a retest of that 1199. Successful break and hold from which we'll then looking for prices up towards that 1204.69, while being aware of the 400 period average, which could act as a dynamic level of resistance. And beyond the 1204.69, if we can break and head beyond the 1204.69, we're looking for prices up towards that 1214.26 here on the XAUUSD. Now, what we'll do is have a look here at the daily chart to see how prices are developing. So here on the XAUUSD, we can see here after breaking this consolidation around 1305 and retesting it, failing, we've seen this rather strong trend here to the downside on the XAUUSD. We've had a sharp acceleration momentum here to the downside, down towards 1160. We've had a bullish bounce taking us up towards that 1199. Well, that's essentially at 1200, which may be a psychological level. We are seeing a bit of a pullback, so we'll see if the pullback holds into a bull flag, and we'll see a continuation for a retest of 1199. And if we do break beyond that, we're looking for moves up towards that 1214 and 1220. But if we do fail, if we do continue to hold this resistance around 1199 and see further acceleration momentum to the downside again, 1180, 1170, and beyond that, possibly even a move back down to retest our lows in around that 1160 here on the XAUUSD. We must mention the bullish scenario is somewhat counter trend, counter to this overall trend that we've been in since breaking the consolidation in May. After breaking the consolidation in May in around that $1,300 level, we've seen a sell-off of over $100 here to the downside on the XAUUSD. So even though it's counter trend, we'll see if it does play out in a bullish scenario, or whether we'll see that whether the degree of selling momentum that overhangs this market continues on the XAUUSD. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.